Okay, before I teach the strong and EM tags, which, spoiler alert, a strong tag is basically a bold tag and an EM tag is basically an italics tag. I'll get into what the exact differences are. But before I do that, I want to show a little bit of an easier way to wrap text around a B tag. So let's say you wanted to put this, what's highlighted right here, and you wanted to put B tags around it. How we did in the last video, the slow way, was kind of like this. This is a really slow way of doing it. I'll just finish it. Okay, let's see what this looks like. So it looks pretty good. Does the same thing, but there's actually an easier way to do this. And to do it though, you need to go to your settings and go to your packages, and I don't remember exactly what it's called. It's called Atom Wrapping Tag. So you use this, you download it, just search it in your packages, Atom Wrapping Tag. You can see the name of it right there. Don't want to do that. I thought it would take me to a page inside here, but either way, I'm going to teach you how to use it right now. So let's just delete this, do the same thing, Lorem, and I'm going to take this text, you highlight it, you hold down Control Shift and Alt, you hold down Shift and Alt, and you press the W key, and then it creates a tag for you, and then from here, it selects both ends of it, and you could just say I, and then you could take this, do the same thing, B, same thing, B. So a lot faster. I'm not sure if I showed you this yet, but if you hold down Control, you could automatically set a multi-select. So let's say you want to change all these B tags to I tags. You could just go like that. Okay, now the strong tag. The strong tag, let me delete this. Let me just start fresh. The strong tag does the exact same thing as the B tag. It's a bit of a longer name. Let's see. And then there's also the EM tag. I'm going to wrap this entire thing in an EM. EM stands for emphasized. And it's the same thing. If you don't believe me, here, I'll show them side by side. So that's the first one. Make it an I. Surround this. B. Right? Oh, I did something wrong. I see what I did wrong. Yeah, that's supposed to be an I. I sort of had them backwards a little bit, right? Okay. So they don't look the exact same. That's because the text isn't the exact same. The first line does look the exact same. But there is a subtle difference. A very subtle difference, actually. To the users, it looks the same. But in HTML, a lot of HTML is actually just semantic differences, meaning that it's not about the text. It's about what the text means when search engines are looking at it, when your HTML markup is being analyzed. A lot of times in HTML, you could achieve the same thing using custom styles and other tags, but using certain elements not only do a certain thing, but they give a certain semantic meaning to your text, to your HTML, that search engines can understand. So basically what the difference is that a B, when you put something in a B tag, you're basically just saying, make this bold. It's just formatting. It doesn't have any other meaning to it. You're just saying, make it bold. And when you put something in an I tag, you're saying, just make it italicized. There's no extra meaning to it. I think there's also a little bit of a difference for screen readers. I think if somebody's using a screen reading software to have a page be read to them, a B tag, all the information will be lost to them. The screen reader will treat the B tag as if it wasn't a B tag. But the strong tag not only means put it bold, but it means make that text actually be stronger, make that have more meaning, like it's very important. Rather than just saying make it bold, you're saying make it be very important. And an EM tag also says don't just make this italicized, make this be very emphasized. So again, it's the same thing for users to see. It doesn't actually make a difference for what gets displayed, but it makes a difference for how it makes a semantic difference, basically. That's the only real difference. But as I said, a lot of HTML is just semantic differences. And it does help with search engines understand what you're trying to do and what your website's about, and so on and so forth.